Something is stirring, something that's capturing the attention of crypto enthusiasts and casual investors alike. In the world of Shiba Inu, subtle shifts are often the first signs of something bigger on the horizon. For months, the so-called Dogecoin killer seemed dormant, its price moving sideways while other assets took the spotlight. Many wondered if the hype had faded for good or if the community was simply waiting for the right moment. But as we enter 2026, a new energy is emerging. There's a sense of anticipation, as if the project is on the verge of something transformative. The SHIB army is more organized and focused than ever before, with new projects and partnerships promising to expand the token's utility and reach. Recent analysis suggests this period of consolidation could be the prelude to a major new chapter, one that could redefine Shiba Inu's place in the crypto ecosystem. The conversation has shifted from the speculative "when moon" to a more thoughtful "how do we build a sustainable future?" This marks a significant evolution in the project's narrative. The focus is now on value, utility, and building a robust ecosystem that can stand the test of time rather than chasing short-term gains. Developers are rolling out innovative features and the community is actively participating in governance and decision-making. The broader crypto market is optimistic, and the Shiba Inu team is hinting at major releases, like a Layer 2 solution and a metaverse project that could open up entirely new possibilities. These upgrades aim to address scalability, reduce fees, and create new use cases for SHIB, making it more attractive for both users and developers. This feels more strategic and deeply rooted in community effort than previous rallies, with a clear vision guiding the way forward. As we explore the latest developments, a clearer picture emerges of a project quietly preparing for its next big move, one that could surprise everyone watching. To see where Shiba Inu is heading, let's take a closer look at its recent price journey and what it reveals about the current state of the market. SHIB's story over the past few months has been anything but dull, offering valuable insights for both new and seasoned investors. After experiencing wild swings and dramatic price surges, SHIB entered a period of consolidation, often mistaken for stagnation, but actually a sign of market maturity. This phase is crucial, as it allows the market to catch its breath and build a stronger foundation for future moves. This newfound stability has shaken out many short-term speculators, clearing the way for more committed long-term believers to step in. It's a natural evolution that often precedes the next big move in the market. Throughout this period, SHIB's price has closely mirrored Bitcoin's lead, rising with broader market optimism and dipping during downturns. This correlation highlights how interconnected the crypto ecosystem has become. Lately, as the overall crypto market shows signs of recovery, SHIB is testing key resistance levels. These moments are watched closely by traders, as they often signal renewed buyer interest and the potential for a breakout. Technical analysts are paying special attention to these upward ticks, suggesting that the quiet accumulation phase may be coming to an end. If momentum continues, we could see a shift in market sentiment. Buyers are slowly gaining the upper hand, but caution is still warranted in this volatile market. Even as optimism grows, experienced investors know that sudden reversals are always possible. Recent price action is encouraging, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. To truly understand SHIB's potential, we need to look beyond the charts and consider the bigger picture. The real strength of SHIB lies in its ongoing developments, innovative projects, and the dedication of its vibrant community. These factors play a huge role in shaping its future. Understanding this broader context is key to appreciating SHIB's current position and its future potential in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Price charts can be confusing, especially when you're faced with a sea of lines, candles, and unpredictable movements. It's easy to feel lost in the noise, but technical analysis helps us find patterns that can reveal what's really happening beneath the surface. Among these patterns, the ascending triangle stands out, like the one currently forming on SHIB's chart. This isn't just a random shape, it's a signal that something important could be brewing. Imagine a flat ceiling of resistance, where sellers keep pushing back, and a rising floor of higher lows, where buyers are stepping in sooner and with more confidence each time. The triangle forms as these two forces converge. This pattern shows growing buying pressure, with sellers holding firm at resistance. Each attempt to break through the ceiling gets a little stronger, and buyers refuse to let the price fall as low as before. The price is squeezed into a tighter and tighter range, building tension like a compressed spring that's ready to snap. The energy in the market is palpable, and traders are watching closely for the next move. In technical analysis, an ascending triangle is considered a bullish sign, often preceding an upward breakout. It's a classic setup that signals optimism among buyers and hints at a possible surge. The breakout happens when price finally pushes through resistance with strong volume, confirming that buyers have gained the upper hand and are willing to pay higher prices. This signals buyers overpowering sellers and a potential new uptrend. It's often the spark that ignites a rally, drawing in even more traders and investors. Analysts estimate the breakout's potential by measuring the triangle's height from the base to the resistance line, and then adding that distance to the breakout point to project a possible price target for the move. While no pattern is foolproof, and markets can always surprise us, this formation is a significant technical development for SHIB and is closely watched by traders. It visually represents the ongoing battle between buyers and sellers, with each side testing the other's resolve as the pattern develops. Right now, momentum appears to be quietly building for a move to the upside, and all eyes are on SHIB to see if it can break out and start a new chapter in its price story. Beyond price speculation, the real strength of Shiba Inu is its passionate community, the SHIB Army. Recently they launched an official Discord server, now the central hub for collaboration and project development. This organized space features channels for the metaverse, Shibarium, NFTs, and security, making information easy to find. Roles and incentives reward active members, boosting engagement and identifying trusted leaders. The server's explosive growth signals renewed excitement around SHIB. It's more than a chat room, it's the command center for the next phase of the project. Here, ideas are born, projects are launched, and the SHIB Army's collective spirit is strengthened daily. This digital headquarters is fueling the community's next big campaign. In crypto, whales, large holders, can create big waves, and SHIB is no exception. Whale sell-offs can trigger panic and price drops, but they're also part of healthy market cycles, redistributing tokens to more holders. Rumors and FUD often follow these moves, but the SHIB community has become skilled at countering misinformation. Official channels and experienced members provide accurate updates, calming the waters. Not all whale activity is negative. Large buys can signal confidence and drive momentum. Monitoring whale movements offers insights, but context is crucial. The presence of whales and rumors adds unpredictability, but the SHIB Army's resilience is growing. By focusing on education and transparency, the community is learning to ride the waves, not be capsized by them. This maturity is key to SHIB's ability to weather volatility and keep building. Celebrity attention helped launch Shiba Inu into the spotlight, and it still plays a role in keeping SHIB relevant. When a celebrity mentions SHIB, it acts as a massive signal boost, drawing in new users and investors. Recent shoutouts, from actors discussing the metaverse to musicians tweeting SHIB images, bridge crypto and pop culture. Some celebrities are even exploring NFT launches on Shibarium, attracted by low fees and a huge user base. These collaborations shift SHIB's image from meme coin to legitimate creative platform. While celebrity buzz isn't a guarantee of success, it builds brand awareness and cultural relevance. Continued interest from public figures keeps SHIB in the mainstream conversation. This appeal helps attract new participants and fuels the project's ongoing growth. Shiba Inu's future depends on evolving from speculation to real utility. The community isn't waiting, they're building, with Shibarium as the most anticipated project. Shibarium, a Layer 2 solution, aims to make SHIB faster and cheaper to use, opening doors for gaming and DeFi. The SHIB metaverse is another major step, creating a virtual world where users can own land, play, and interact. This gives SHIB real utility as the currency of a digital economy. The community is also innovating with NFTs, decentralized apps, and charity initiatives, reinforcing SHIB's positive impact. Security and inclusivity are priorities, with education and support for all users. SHIB is methodically building a sustainable, multifaceted ecosystem. From technical upgrades to creative ventures, the foundation for long-term value is being laid. The SHIB Army isn't just hoping for a better future, they're actively building it, block by block.